Where does the name for Valle Crucis come from, or in Welsh, Abady Glyn y Groes? Today I'm in Denbighshire, just outside Llangollen, and I'm in the ruins of this wonderful abbey, and it's called, in Latin, Valle Crucis, or in Welsh, Abady Glyn y Groes. Valle Crucis is made of two parts. Valle is the ablative form of vallis, and it means a valley. And then we have Crucis, which is the genitive form of crux, which means croes, which is also where the Welsh word croes is borrowed from. In Welsh, Abady is made of abad, meaning an abbot, with tŷ, which means a house, so Abady is an abbey. Glyn means a valley, means the, and groes is the soft mutation of croes, which is from, ultimately, the Latin word crux, and it means cross. So it literally means the abbey of the valley of the cross. So the valley is called Glyn y Groes, the Valley of the Cross. But why is it called that? Well, it's called that because what we now call Eliseg's Pillar, a small monument just north of here, actually used to be a large carved stone cross. So the Valley of the Cross refers to Eliseg's Pillar. Now, another name for this valley was Glyn y Gwestel. Glyn means a valley. It comes from the Proto-Celtic word glyndos, but a gwestel is a person's name. Now, not much is known about him, but it's quite likely he was the same person as Egois in Penegois, the village. The abbey here was built in 1201 by Madog ap Gruffydd Maelor, who was a prince of Powys Fadog. But like many monasteries and abbeys in Britain, it was destroyed in the Reformation during the dissolution of the monasteries in 1537. Since then, somebody attempted to build a manor house out of it, but that didn't work either, and it's slowly been falling to ruin. So the name literally means the Valley of the Cross. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe if you're into place names. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, then you can on my Patreon. The link's in the bio. Diolch, have a good one.